Hello students, in this video I am going to tell you about effect of catalyst on rate of reaction. What is a catalyst? It is the substance which alters the rate of reaction without being consumed in the reaction. In this definition, we need to understand two terms. One is it alters the rate of reaction, means it increases the rate of reaction or it can decrease the rate of reaction. The substance which increases the rate of reaction is called as positive catalyst, and the substance which decreases the rate of reaction is called as negative catalyst. Another term we need to focus on is without being consumed. It means catalyst gets involved in the reaction but it does not get consumed in the reaction. When we come to effect of catalyst on rate of reaction, it can be explained on the basis of activated complex theory. As per this theory, reactant molecules must collide with each other to give a reaction intermediate which is called as activated complex, which is highly unstable and breaks up into products. If this reaction takes place in presence of catalyst, it provides its surface for the reactant molecules to collide with each other. So reactants collides on the surface of catalyst and forms an activated complex which breaks up into products leaving catalyst. These two are the reaction paths of the same chemical reaction, but in the first reaction path catalyst is not involved, but in second reaction path catalyst is involved. So the activated complexes formed in these two reaction paths are not same. In this activated complex catalyst is there, but in the activated complex of the first reaction path no catalyst is involved. And for different activated complexes different activation energies will be there, and we can explain it in the form of a graph. Activation energy graph for a chemical reaction will be like this. Energy along y-axis, reaction coordinates along x-axis, and graph will be like this. This is the energy of reactants. Here This will be the energy of activated complex, and here this is the energy of products. And the difference between energy of activated complex and energy of reactant molecules is called as activation energy. This is activation energy graph for a chemical reaction without catalyst. If this reaction takes place in presence of catalyst, it creates an activated complex which is different from this. So you will get a new reaction path. So this will be the activated complex in the presence of catalyst. So now the activation energy of this reaction will be this. Activation energy of the reaction is EA without catalyst, and the activation energy of the reaction is EA dash with catalyst. Rate of reaction is inversely proportional to activation energy. So in this reaction, when we use a catalyst, it is creating a new reaction path with lower activation energy. That's why rate of reaction is increased. Such type of catalysts are called as positive catalyst. Positive catalysts increase the rate of reaction by creating a new reaction path with lower activation energy. And there are negative catalysts also, which creates a new reaction path with higher activation energy. This is the reaction path in presence of catalyst. So this is the activated complex formed in presence of catalyst, and this is the activated complex formed in absence of catalyst. So without catalyst, activation energy is EA, and in presence of catalyst, activation energy is EA dash. So as there is increase in activation energy, rate of reaction decreases, and such catalyst is called as negative catalyst. So negative catalyst is a substance which decreases rate of reaction by creating a new reaction path with higher activation energy. In Arrhenius equation, there is a relation between rate constant and activation energy K equal to A into e power minus EA by RT. When we apply natural logarithm on both sides, ln K is equal to ln A minus EA by RT. And when this natural logarithm is converted into logarithm base 10, then it will be 2.303 log K is equal to 2.303 log A minus EA by RT. When whole equation is divided by 2.303, then you will get log K is equal to log A minus EA by 2.303 RT. At a particular temperature, if activation energy of a reaction is EA1 without catalyst and the rate constant is K1, and after using a catalyst, activation energy, let us consider EA2, then rate constant is K2. So log K1 is equal to log A minus EA1 by 2.303 RT, equation 1. Log K2 is equal to log A minus EA2 by 2.303 RT. Consider equation 2. Equation 2 minus equation 1 means log K2 minus log K1, which is equal to log K2 by K1. Log A minus log A is 0, and minus EA2 by 2.303 RT minus of minus EA1 by 2.303 RT. So we got 1 by 2.303 RT as common, and EA1 minus EA2. Log K2 by K1 is equal to EA1 minus EA2 by 2.303 RT. So this is the relation between rate constants of a reaction with two different activation energies. Means if EA1 is the activation energy without catalyst and EA2 is the activation energy with catalyst, relation between these two activation energies and rate constants is log K2 by K1 is equal to EA1 minus EA2 by 2.303 RT. And remaining part of the lesson I will explain it in next video. Thank you.